Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete contacts in Wix dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard. Then on left side you see customer and leads and then you see contact. So click on it. So we are in contact section and then you see contact list. So we are going to delete and then you see all contact, you see name and then you see all detail member status. So we are going to delete it. So when we hover on it, then you see view. Also you see icon. So click on it and then you see edit, create invoice, delete. So we are going to delete it. So click on it and then you see pop up and then you see delete one contact. This contact and their info will delete from your contact list and then click on delete button and then you see contact deleted. So in this page you see all detail, so you can delete according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.